Alright, Bella, I'll show you the horse for sale after our lesson. Does that sound good? Sounds great to me. Alright, so today's lesson, we're going to be working on jumping again. Because I know you're interested in that. But we're going to be working on bigger jumps. Don't be too nervous. It'll be fine. Just encourage your horse. Imagine you're jumping smaller jumps, even though you're not. So since they're bigger, I'd like you to really ask her even more upward. Remember how last time we were asking at the trot upward? Now when we're doing the canter, I'd like you to ask her upward, upward, upward. Okay? Alright. Let's get started. Alright, Bella. So I want you to do is start off at a canter. Then ask her over the jump, really leaning forward, heels down, and asking her faster, faster, up, down, faster, 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 up, down, faster, faster. Okay? So that's what I want you to do. So canter her, ask her faster, faster, and then jump down, fast, fast, jump down. Okay? Lean forward, more than tiny jumps, heels down. Sound good? Let's start. Good, a little faster at that canter. Ooh, you saved yourself. There we go. Let me come fix this. Yes, finally. Okay, let's go back over here. Let's try that again, okay, Bella? All right. Good. Again. Okay, let's do it again. Oh! Alright, you alright? You alright? Yep, I'm fine, I'm fine. Alright, you sure you're okay? Yep, I'm okay. Alright, then get back on and let's try it again. Alright, put that back up. Just asking her even more upward, alright? Sit her over here. You mount up. Good. I'll stand over here. I'd like you to go over it again. Thanks. We always want to end on a good note. Alright, really asking her upward now, Bella, okay? Faster canter. There we go. That's what we want. Okay. There we go. Much better. There we are. That's what I want to see. That's perfect. Great. Alright. One more of those. Okay. Give your horse a rest. I'm going to take top pull down. And you want to just enjoy some tiny jumping? Yes, please. So, right over to trot first, really asking her up and up and up, and just canter that once, please. Okay, one more time and we'll be done for the day. Very good. That was an awesome lesson. Shall we go get our horse untacked and then go see the horse for sale? Yes, please. All right, let's go. All right, let's let this horse out to pasture and then we'll go see the horse for sale. There you go, girl. All right. So if she likes to see the horse for sale, follow me. Here she is. This is Rose. Rose meet Bella. She's a Hanoverian mare. This is the one for sale. She's gorgeous. I know, isn't she? Yes. She's so beautiful. Yes, she is certainly a beauty, isn't she? Aren't you a sweetheart, Rosie? Maybe if she doesn't get sold too soon, you could ride her in one of our lessons. That'd be so cool. Alright, we should probably go since I have to get back to work at the stables. And yeah, we should. Thank you so much for showing Rose to me, Miss Eileen. You're welcome. Bye, Rose. She was so gorgeous. If only I could convince my parents to buy a horse like her, or her. Anywho, all I have right now is books and riding lessons. I'm very glad for riding lessons. But still, it's not the same as having a horse of my very own. Anywho, maybe someday I'll have one. Hopefully, I don't know. Let's see, where was I in my book? Ah, yes, there. Dad, remember how I told you guys last night that Miss Eileen was going to show me a horse for sale?
Yes, I do.
Yes, the horse is gorgeous. Can we please buy her?
We've already talked about this. No horse right now.